Hey, I'm Derek with Stellar One, and welcome back to Escape Velocity. In Season 2, we tackled the 5 accounting and finance nightmares that keep businesses stuck, from manual month-end closing to cash flow blindness. We talked about getting real-time visibility into your financial operations so that you can actually make fast decisions. But here's what we kept hearing from you. We fixed our back office, but our front office is still a mess. And that's exactly what Season 3 is all about. Because you can have clean books and tight inventory controls, but if your sales process is broken, you're still not reaching escape velocity. Your sales team is drowning in spreadsheets, leads are falling through the cracks, and nobody really knows what's in the pipeline. You're making revenue projections based on gut feel instead of actual data. Sound familiar? Over the next quarter, we're diving into 5 sales and CRM nightmares that prevent businesses from scaling their revenue operations. Let's break them down. First up, data decay and incomplete records. Your CRM is full of outdated contact info, missing phone numbers, and dead email addresses. Nobody's maintaining the data, so when you need to reach someone, you're basically starting from scratch. It's like having a Rolodex where half the cards are blank or wrong. Second, low user adoption. You invested in a CRM, but your sales team isn't actually using it. They're still keeping their own notes, their own spreadsheets, and having their own system. So leadership has no visibility, and the CRM just becomes this expensive paperweight that nobody touches. Number 3 is no clear sales process. Every rep does their own thing. There's no standard approach from first contact to close, so you can't scale what's working or even fix what's broken. New hires are left to figure out on their own, and results are all over the map. Fourth, we've got pipeline visibility gaps. You can't answer basic questions like, what deals are closing this month? Or where are our prospects getting stuck? The data exists somewhere, but it's inconsistent, incomplete, or just plain wrong. So when leadership asks for a forecast, it's mostly guesswork. And finally, lead response and follow-up failures. Someone fills out a form on your website and waits. Or a prospect says, hey, follow up with me in 2 weeks. And it just doesn't happen because there's no system to track it. You're literally leaving money on the table because leads go cold while you're figuring out who should respond. And here's the thing. These sales nightmares don't just hurt your revenue, they compound everything we covered in seasons 1 and 2. Think about it. If your sales is making promises that your operations can't keep, your inventory planning falls apart. If deals close with bad pricing, your financial visibility means nothing. If customer data is scattered everywhere, you can't track profitability by account. Getting control of your sales operations isn't just about hitting quota, it's about creating a predictable, scalable revenue engine that actually connects with the rest of your business. So, in Season 3, we're breaking down each of these nightmares with the same approach. Why this problem happens in growing businesses, what it's really costing you in lost deals and wasted time, and practical solutions, whether you need a full CRM overhaul or just better processes with what you currently have. Because the businesses that truly reach escape velocity, they've connected all 3 of these pieces: inventory, finance, and sales. We'll release a new episode every 2 weeks, starting with scattered customer data. This is Escape Velocity Season 3. Let's fix what's broken. See you in the next episode.